This is the era of the new online world. We started our online schooling with highly extremity and curiosity. The highest heartbeat through the Google Classroom, and Google Meet was really fascinated by the toddlers. Brevity in education was the token for the year 2020-21. With great protestation, we all peace members can keep our head up and erect. We proved ourselves the best among one, along with our little anglets. We would say thanks to the COVID-19, as it is provided a window to embellish our new online schooling system magnificently. We always forward our minds and retinue into the world with crunchy caramels.
To melt the toddlers is not easy, as everything becomes visual. But we were amazed by the performance of our kiddie wing. There were no grievances, shy and shining crystals on their eyes. Yet we were happy in our aromatic world, where they found their gaiety and ecstasy. We started our journey from June onwards with the most ever legend, our father of nation, Gandhiji. On behalf of this legend, our shining stars have presented activities like song, speech cards, fancy dress, etc. Related to World Environment Day on June 5th, we conducted a selfie contest. Selfie with sapling. Children sent their photos of planting, and they were much aware about the necessity to protect our environment. On June 19, we organized Reading Day by presenting short poems and posters showing the significance of reading. As the competition has appreciated by each and everyone, the theme of the month, Me and My Family, made a remark in children's mind. The kids of SKG prepared their family sketch, and the JKG kids got fascinated on their persona. We travelled along with our kids, and they performed wonderful activities in July that include Doctor's Day on 2nd of July. On this day, our kids have wished the doctors because being in a pandemic condition, our doctors have made a wonder treat with a handful patients. Our kids reveal the importance of doctors in our society and also the need of respecting them. When the days passed, July 12, we conducted Red Day activity. The day started off with color red and the children jumping, blinging rims of colors. The Red Day celebration was a wonderful learning activity which helped children to sort and classify objects based on colors. The July month legend was Respected Nehru. Children honored Chachaji through songs, speech, and some of them even dressed up and gave the message. On July 17, we celebrated Emoji Day. They masked different facial expression and explained the importance of emojis. They made the Emoji Day everlasting by amazing events, and especially our kids are rocking stars and they had rocked the event. Yet another celebration in July was Friendship Day. It signifies the importance of harmonious friendships which ultimately help in promoting love and peace amongst human beings. On behalf of this, our kids have presented different activities including songs, card making, small review on importance of friends and life. The July month turned as lining on the cake. Thus, we got double sweet of our kids' creative vibes. As the days got past furious because of wide varieties of programs, and then we reached the month of August. Yes, obviously like a flower, this month spread the fragrance of our theme festivals. This extremely shifted to festive mode. On behalf of this, we announced the liberation of different religions through songs, speech, and costumes. The world celebration put on a new mask for children's knowledge. On August 10, we conducted Green Color Day. That was awesome with their green dress and belongings. They made the day brighten with craft activities. When the Green Day mod got settled down, there again with a powerful voice, our kids took on the memorable Independence Day on August 15th. This has been marked in the year by the Great Assembly, and our stars made a well-brightened performance too by dressing up like leaders, and they remind us of the value of freedom. The main attraction of this month was the legend Kunju Nimash. The kids were very much interested in presenting short poems, speeches and fancy dresses. This activity drew a clear picture of Kunju Nimash and his famous poems in the inner heart of children. Now move to September, our harvest month. Definitely this month was harvest because Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the legend of the month and undertook a well-screened performance, and with full energetic mode our rocking stars organized Teachers' Day by making cards for teachers and also by fancy teacher costumes. Surely this moment will make every teacher feel proudish. When we walk to the month of October, we realized that our online platform has reached the peak of curriculum. On October 2nd, we memorized Gandhi Jayanti through special assembly, through which kids learned about Gandhiji and the need of Gandhi Jayanti. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, touches the heart. This is exactly true when we introduced the legend of October month, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The theme activity on the topic, Life Around Us, made the children observe the environment. Children were well aware of the value of food and sharing of food. As we marked October 16 as Food Day, we conducted creative programs for kids and also made aware about the adverse effects of junk food. When we proceed to the hopeful month of November, we start up with Kerala Piravi on November 1st. This was the most colorful moment as they dressed up with Kerala culture and shared their knowledge about Kerala, the God's own country. The November celebration then takes out by Children's Day. Even though we are in online mode, we still made the day great by the glazing performance of kids. As we successfully completed 11th month with great hope and power, moved and reached the last month of this year, December. As the month is cool and lovely, we respected Mother Teresa as our legend and conducted various activities. On December 18, we celebrated Arabic Day through a special assembly that enhanced the value of Arabic language, and the teachers opened the doors for kids to the Arabic era. When the December 23 has reached, kids went onto the footpath of fields and started their adventuring photo shoot of farmers' rolls. Because the day is Farmers' Day, the real hero's day. This is considered as the most fascinating one because teachers made life meat from the fields, and that made kids more happier.
Days passed and now we reached the year 2021. We now give a break for our education. We proudly say with utmost confident hold that we have learned a new era of learning tasks and achieved the voice of education. We are able to say that we have completed the year 2020 with everlasting success. Thank you.